Security guard added to a lawsuit against Oxford Community Schools, claiming she could have stopped the tragedy that resulted in 4 students being killed.
TV5's James Felton tells us her defense for not stepping in. Her lawyers say she thought it was a drill.
She was armed. She had a gun. She had a body camera. Just what you'd expect from a security person.
Attorney Ben Johnson talking about now former Oxford Community Schools security guard Kimberly Potts. Johnson says Potts was at Oxford High School when Ethan Crumbley allegedly went on his deadly rampage last November. Johnson tells us Potts told investigators that she thought it was an active shooter drill. This even when she saw Tate Meir, one of 4 students who were killed.
Tate had already been shot. He was on the ground. Ms. Potts told the investigators that when she looked at Tate, she thought, boy, this Alice drill, they're really using good makeup.
Today, Ben Johnson announced the addition of Potts as a defendant to the lawsuit filed against Oxford Community Schools. Johnson tells us he's not buying her explanation of thinking it was a drill.
She was a 20-some year Oakland County Sheriff deputy. The second that she heard shots, the second that she was told that there's a shooter, we all know, sadly, through Uvalde, Texas, what the protocol is now. And that is you draw your weapon and you go. You go to the shooter to try to confront them to end the shooting one way or another.
Johnson says even after Potts acknowledged that this wasn't a drill, she failed to do her job.
She went to the bathroom door. She pulled the door open. And then all you see is her shutting the door and then walking down the hallway.
Johnson, who got a chance to watch surveillance video of the shooting from inside the school, tells us the bathroom Potts walked away from was where Crumbley and 2 other students were. About a minute later, Johnson says Crumbley shot Justin Schilling in that bathroom. He died the next day. As you can imagine, Schilling's parents found these new revelations devastating.
It just truly shattered us, knowing that, Justin was still alive.
It's a difficult know that you could still be here if somebody did their job.
James Felton, WNEM, TV5.